The young boss is back at it again. And yo, me so the one is a banger, you know. The dog there. Another one for the ladies, them the one in name Hot Hole. We go check it out and see where we are doing it in a gang. Let's get it.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
Yeah, man, like me say. Yeah, the young boss, Intence, is back with another one. The one in name Hot Hole. Well, check it out and see where I deal with it, you know. Intence. I don't know Intence style already. Intence is very intense. Dog got the outbeat style. And dog they have another one for the girl them. Yes, I think I saw a little preview of this, you know, man. Where dog basically have a little voice note. I think a TC and Rebel are pretty bit of one of them, you know. Me if it's a TC and Rebel, you know. You see me Swissley, we have a girl name in a girl voice in a blow music video. And that I forget. You see me on the love leftovers too much. Blouse and skirt there. Yeah, man, gang. Yeah, man, Intence, another one them a Hot Hole. We gotta check it out and see where dog deal with gang. We don't provide much longer, you know. Let's get it, man.
Yeah, belly flat, yeah, hip hop the song, yeah.
Alright, me know say a TC at top, but tell me say on the Rebel that I say yeah. Tell me say on the Rebel that I say yeah. Go on.
Breast up in a chest, yeah. Here bust down, you look so fuck good, yeah.
I told you I was getting like a can done. Man, I live, my wine. I pay a chicken in the mind.
I told you have you sitting liquor can done. Me nah left, me nah go, me want you. Bro, nobody can't tell me nothing. A Rebel dog I make the tune for dog. A Rebel dog I make it tune for. Man, I tell you say straight up Rebel, he nah top. Yeah. That him man I make you know dog. Me the, yo, you see me, a girl is me know style. Intence, you know where I do. Yeah, man. Can't think of all they want to talk about that is not Rebel. That is Rebel. That is Rebel voice right there. I mean, know the style. Intence, big up your damn self. Go on.
Yeah, belly flat, yeah.
A style and pattern.
Yeah.
Who know, no?
Breast up in a chest, yeah. Here bust down, you look so fuck
One girl.
good, yeah.
I told you I was getting like a can done. Man, I live, my wine. I pay a chicken in the mind. I probably need them sawdust. I love you, so them some I can't love.
Your chicken in no man, they probably need them sawdust. Hey, yeah. Who get that? Go on.
You bust down, you beat your face for gone out. You hot your them topic, name a travel all but. No shut the close, them need for check your wardrobe. You can't done. Pussy tiny.
Talk to all the girls them on the short or clothes. Wardrobe ever at. Always up to date. You see me and say all in the latest, never in the... Alright, go on.
The boy in a yarn, I bring sun, girl, see what man I see now the sun. Girl, my soap, I'm which girl for take your man. You better alone, that alone, tell her for sing another song. Me start, you got you all along. Oh, your body make it traffic off jump.
It's a hatty, gatti all along. How are you there? Come true.
You do your nails and put on your glam. You make it traffic, police don't want a job. I told you I was sitting like a can done. Man, I live, my wine. I pay a chicken in the mind. I probably need them sawdust. I love you, so them some I can't love.
Man say me love you, so them say me can't love. Yeah, mama, me love you. All them say me can't love. All them say me are wicked, mama. Me love you, you know, my baby. Are you me like? You see that wine the way me love it. That wine the way you do, me love it. You see that thing the way you do with the red hair there? We love it too. That thing the way you doing it, we love that too. So all they say me can't love. I lie them, I tell them. I don't listen to them. Go on, Joe.
Bust down, you beat your face for gone out. You hot your them topic, name a travel all but.
Yes.
No shut the close, them need for check your wardrobe. You can't done. The way you look so good, the man them off rally back. Boy, any man you left, you not take him back. A girl try take your man, you can defend that.
What tune this man?
Furthermore, should ever have what you got. You are the good body.
Yeah, that mama, you watching this video right now. All of the ladies watching Dan Mafia right now. You with the good body. Mr. Ever got the can done. You. Only good girls watch this channel. Only bad girls watch this channel. Only the daddy them watch your channel. If you not watch your channel, you know nobody. Yeah, man, go on, Joe.
Told them off for pay down penny. Is a virgin, holy or carry. You have a grip, you have a glue, you have a damn glue.
Only the hottest of girls watch Jambisco Dan. Believe no, man. Oh, I'm here.
I told you I was sitting like a can done. Man, I live, my wine. I pay a chicken in the mind, I probably need them sawdust. I love you, so them some I can't love. You bust down, you beat your face for gone out.
Want a hot girl them in a comment section with the one, yeah. Want to comment at all in the one, yeah. I say if you don't comment, that means you don't want them. If you don't know about the channel, I know, man. You see me use not one of them. But if you just discover a channel, it's because you're one of them. Welcome. You see me, I say big up yourself, mama.
Yeah, them topic need my travel all but no shot to close them need for check your wardrobe. You can't done. Post a thank you of the boy in a yarn. I bring sun girl, see what man I see no other sun. Tell me so, which kind of take you man? You better alone, that alone tell her for singing.
I bring sun girl, see me not see no other sun. Which sun? What sun are you talking about? You see me?
The song me start, you got you all along. On your body make it traffic off jam. Anytime you do your nails and put on your glam. You make it traffic.
Atty got it all along. And their body they make traffic jam. Big up yourself, mama.
Police don't want a job.
Country hot music.
Yes. That is it. Yeah. I mean. FT Visual, young boss. Big up on your damn self. That is it. Yeah, man. Big up on your damn self, man. Yes. To all the Atty got you all along. I'm gonna big up on your damn self. Make sure you drop a comment, you know. All of the Atty girls, make sure you drop a comment on this video. All of the good as them. All of the Atty got a girl. Got you all along. All of miss don't short her clothes. Miss, and the body they make the traffic jam. More see the whole lot no comment, you know. You see, if you don't comment, you know, you know what that mean. Alright. But yeah, man, gang. Intence, the song that them at all. Big up that for all of that four girls. You see me? Yeah. Big up on the damn set. That's a vibe though. No, fun and joke aside. That's a vibe. Intence, no for make it, you know. Intence, no for make it. You know, if you appeal to the thugs them and appeal to the ladies them. You see me, I say, the only thing with intense. You need to up the consistency, my G. Up the consistency. Wait. Since you started, this is your second song still. So you drop 2 songs in a month. So far, you're going good. You continue on this trajectory for the rest of the year? Trajectory? No. On this trajectory for the rest of the year. You definitely going to go on good dog and catch back your buzz on your wave. You see me, I say? Young boss, man. Yeah, big up a damn self, my G. So, gang, let me know anything about the one in the comment section. You see me, I say, let me know what your favorite part was. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. You see me, I say, the ladies, the visuals. Come on now. Hey, come on. I don't like that, you know. Yeah, man, gang. Also, drop on a shout out, so drop on a request so you can get in a shout out all this thing. I hope you all like the new setup. Man. You see, we going up this year. I hope this look way better than, you know, than what it usually be, hopefully. We never know until we upload the video them and see what I want. You see me? But yeah, man, gang, you don't know. Yeah. There another banger. Drop on a request. You don't know. Get your shout out. All that good stuff. I'm going to see y'all in the comment section, gang. You see, we're going to chop it up. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.